Oh my God! Oh my God. Volume button broke off the 2DS XL. I fixed one of them, then saw that another one was broke, so I'm going to share how I fixed it. Fun. Okay, here we go. I'm going to just take this one. This one came from a 2DS. It's a volume slider, but you can see it's smaller. It's not going to fit. It's small. Anyway, I'm just going to pop it out. I'm going to pop the switch out and then pop it in there. That way I ain't got to solder it. I don't feel like soldering it, and it's a pain. I always take a chance at damaging it. I'm just going to bend this metal up here and pop the old one out. I'm going to use this little blade here. It's just going to bend it a tad. And I don't have a cameraman, so I can't really show you exactly what I'm doing, probably. But you could see it in there. Maybe hold down both sides so you don't pop the solder up. You can see that little button in there. I'm just going to hold it up a little bit with this one. And then pull it out with this one. See, there it went. Now I'm going to take this one and just break it open. I don't really care about it. I might have to use this blade. Spare my finger. Jerk. Where's that other little piece? There's the new one. We're just going to try to slide the new one in there. And I'm going to put the prong side in first. Otherwise it'll push them up. It's hard. There's two little prongs. It's hanging out like that. You don't want to just push it in because they might bend the prongs. Just lift it up a tad. After you get it in there, just push it down in the middle where you bent it up. Now it's going back and forth. Only way to know for sure is just to test it. Because you could have put a button on that was bad, but I got that from my store, so I'm sure it's fine. I still test it. Okay, I got a speaker here. Plug him in. Now we should be able to hear something. It's simple. Simple. You're done. Yeah, just bend it up, bend it back down, and you can't even really tell. The last one I did, you could tell more. But this one, you can't even tell I bent it. I had to fix the dang R, or the button right here. You can see that on my channel too, how to replace the one if all the connections get ripped off. Alright, have a good day.